What if I told you that your immune system is only operating at 30% capacity and Big Pharma wants to keep it that way? Before you scroll past this, answer me this. When was the last time you got sick? A week ago? A month? What if I told you that some people haven't had so much as a sniffle in over 5 years, while others catch every bug that goes around? The difference isn't genetics. It's not luck. It's knowledge. Here's a disturbing fact that will change everything. Your immune system has the power to destroy cancer cells, eliminate viruses, and fight off bacteria better than any medication ever created. But 87% of people are accidentally sabotaging their immune system every single day. The pharmaceutical industry makes $374 billion annually treating symptoms instead of addressing the root cause. But what I'm about to show you will make you question everything you've been told about staying healthy. This is going to sound absolutely insane. What if I told you that deliberately making yourself freezing cold for just 30 seconds could boost your immune system by 300%? Before you think I've lost it, listen to this. Wim Hof, the Iceman, has never been sick in over 20 years. Navy SEALs use cold exposure to build bulletproof immunity. And now science proves why. Here's the exact protocol. At the end of your shower, turn the water to the coldest setting for 30 seconds. That's it. Your body's response? Massive increase in white blood cells, activation of brown fat that burns calories, and a surge of noradrenaline that supercharges your immune response. But here's the kicker that changes everything. It's not the cold that makes you stronger. It's your body's adaptation to stress. This technique literally trains your immune system like a muscle. And there's a specific breathing pattern that makes it 10 times more effective. Wim Hof proved something that shocked the medical world. Using only breathing techniques, he controlled his immune response in ways science said was impossible. Then, he taught 12 volunteers, and they all did the same thing. The medical establishment had to rewrite textbooks. Here's the exact technique. 1. Take 30 power breaths. Deep inhale, passive exhale. 2. After the 30th breath, exhale and hold for as long as possible. 3. When you need air, take 1 deep breath and hold for 15 seconds. 4. Repeat 3 rounds. What happens is incredible. Your body floods with adrenaline, your pH changes, and your immune cells multiply rapidly. Studies show this increases infection-fighting cells by 500% and reduces inflammation by 67%. But here's what they don't tell you. This only works if your gut microbiome is optimized first. And 94% of people have completely destroyed theirs. Everything you think you know about immunity is wrong. Your immune system isn't in your blood, it's in your gut. 70% of your immune cells live in your digestive tract. But here's the problem. Antibiotics, processed food, and stress have turned most people's guts into bacterial wastelands. The $2 miracle food? Sauerkraut. Not the pasteurized garbage from grocery stores. Real, raw, fermented sauerkraut. One serving contains more probiotics than most $50 supplements. But here's the secret. It has to be refrigerated and unpasteurized, or it's useless. The 7-day protocol: 1 forkful of raw sauerkraut with every meal. Within a week, your gut bacteria will multiply by 1,000 times. Your energy will skyrocket, your skin will clear up, and you'll stop getting sick. But there's one food that's even more powerful, and it's probably in your kitchen right now. Garlic isn't just food, it's medicine. 1 clove of raw garlic contains allicin, a compound more effective against certain infections than penicillin. But here's what Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. They actually tried to get garlic classified as a drug to control its use. The catch? It only works raw. Cooking destroys 90% of the active compounds. Here's the protocol. Crush 1 clove, let it sit for 10 minutes. This activates the allicin, then swallow it like a pill with water. Do this daily, and you'll become virtually immune to common illnesses. But there's a specific timing that makes it 300% more effective. Take it on an empty stomach, 30 minutes before your first meal. The result? Your blood levels of infection-fighting compounds stay elevated for 12 hours. Ancient warriors knew this secret. Modern science finally proved why it works. Everyone talks about vitamin C, but the real immune system destroyer is vitamin D deficiency, and 90% of people have it without knowing. Here's why this is terrifying. People with optimal vitamin D levels are 70% less likely to get respiratory infections. The shocking truth: you need 4,000 to 6,000 IU daily, not the pathetic 400 IU most supplements contain. But here's the game changer. Taking vitamin D without K2 is actually dangerous. It can cause calcium buildup in your arteries. The perfect combo: 5,000 IU vitamin D3 plus 100 micrograms vitamin K2, MK7, taken with a fat-containing meal. Within 30 days, your immune system will transform. But there's one more deficiency that's even more critical, and 99% of people have never heard of it. This will flip everything you know about exercise. Moderate exercise for 7 to 20 minutes boosts your immune system for the next 24 hours. But exercise longer than 60 minutes? It actually suppresses immunity for up to 72 hours. That's why marathon runners get sick so often. The 7-minute protocol: 2 minutes, jumping jacks or burpees; 3 minutes, body weight strength, push-ups, squats; 2 minutes, sprint intervals, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. What happens in your body is incredible. Natural killer cells increase by 300%, stress hormones balance out, and your lymphatic system, your body's sewage system, starts pumping. But here's the secret sauce. Do this in the morning sunlight for maximum effect. The combination of movement plus sunlight creates an immune system supernova. Not those magic mushrooms. I'm talking about medicinal mushrooms that have been used for 4,000 years and are now proven by modern science. Reishi, lion's mane, cordyceps, and turkey tail. These aren't just foods, they're immune system weapons. Here's what each one does. Reishi reduces stress hormones that suppress immunity. Lion's mane rebuilds nerve cells and gut lining. Cordyceps increases oxygen delivery to immune cells. Turkey tail contains PSK, proven to fight cancer cells. The hack? Buy them in powder form and add 1 teaspoon to your morning coffee. Cost: $20 per month. Results: immunity levels of someone 20 years younger. But there's one preparation method that makes them 10 times more bioavailable. Your sleep position determines how well your brain detoxifies at night. Sleep on your stomach or the wrong side, and toxins build up in your brain, weakening your immune response. The research is shocking. People who sleep on their left side have 25% better immune function. Here's why. Sleeping on your left side optimizes lymphatic drainage, helps your spleen filter blood, and allows cerebrospinal fluid to flush toxins from your brain. It's like giving your immune system a nightly tune-up. But there's an even more powerful immune booster that happens during sleep. Your body produces growth hormone and repairs immune cells, but only during deep sleep phases. The problem: most people never reach deep sleep because of one simple mistake. The mistake: eating within 3 hours of bedtime. This keeps your body focused on digestion instead of immune repair. The solution: stop eating 4 hours before bed, and your immune system will rebuild itself overnight. Here's what's about to happen. You're going to pick 3 of these techniques and start them today. Maybe it's the cold shower, the garlic protocol, and the mushroom coffee. Within 1 week, you'll feel different. More energy, clearer thinking, better mood. Within 1 month, people will notice. You'll be the person who doesn't get sick when everyone else is dropping like flies. Your skin will glow, your energy will be unstoppable, and your confidence will skyrocket because you'll know you're operating at peak human performance. But here's the real transformation. When you optimize your immune system, you're not just preventing illness, you're unlocking your genetic potential. Better focus, faster recovery, improved mood, enhanced physical performance. You're literally upgrading your biology. The pharmaceutical industry wants you sick and dependent. They make zero money when you're healthy, but you now have the tools to become immune system invincible. No more missed work days. No more feeling run down. No more accepting that getting sick is normal. Your immune system is the most sophisticated defense mechanism on Earth. More complex than any military system, more powerful than any drug, more intelligent than any computer. And you just learned how to unleash its full potential. Starting today, you're not just living, you're thriving. Your body is now a fortress, and you hold the keys. Your challenge: pick 3 techniques and commit for 30 days. Comment which ones you chose. I want to follow your transformation. Hit that like button if you're ready to become unstoppable, and subscribe because I'm revealing more biohacking secrets that will revolutionize your health. Welcome to your new immune-powered life. Thanks for watching video, and tell me in comment which part of video you loved most.